is for jump, K is for kite, L is for lamp, M is for moon, N is for net, O is for owl, P is for pet, Q is for queen, R is for rain, S is for sun, T is for train, U is for umbrella, V is for van, W is for whale, X is for xylophone, Y is for yo-yo, Z is for zebra. Now you know your ABC. Sing again with me. Y is for yo-yo, Z is for zebra. Now you know your ABC. Sing again with me.
Hi my dear kidsies, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Also like and share it. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye bye.